Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you my quick and easy hack for cleaning the microwave. Let's get the gross stuck on food out of the microwave, and it takes 5 minutes or less. You will need a bowl, lemon juice, water and a few drops of Dawn dish soap. Mix 1 cup of lemon juice with 1 cup of water and a few drops of Dawn dish soap and give it a mix. Put the bowl in the microwave and turn it on for 3 minutes. Remove the bowl out of the microwave, but be careful, the bowl is going to be burning hot, so use some oven gloves. Now just remove the microwave dish and wash it separately and wipe the microwave with a paper towel. The steam from the lemon juice should have loosened up all the food splashes, so now it'll wipe right off. Now grab a damp cloth to give the microwave one last final clean and put the dish back inside.